Hi, my name is James.
Hi, my name is Charlotte.
Hi everyone, I'm Charmel.
Hello everyone, my name is Keith.
Social media for me is a way of keeping connection with your beloved ones far away and where you can share your memories freely.
Social media for me is something we can use to communicate online to our friends and family.
Social media for me is a way for people from different parts of the world to connect with each other. They can also create, share, and view each other's content using the social media.
Social media for me refers to interaction among people in which they can share and exchange of information and ideas in virtual communities and networks.
Social media allows individuals to keep in touch with friends and extended family.
Social media allows individuals to keep in touch with friends and extended family. Some people use it to find career opportunities, connect with people across the globe with like-minded interests, and share their own thoughts, feelings, and insights online.
Social media is any digital technology that allows users to instantly generate and share information with the public.
Social media has many benefits. It could be positive or negative. Examples of positive are making new friends or to communicate with your family and friends, while the negatives are cyberbullying, distraction, and many more.
Social media refers to the means of interaction among people in which they create, share, or exchange information and ideas in virtual communities and networks.
Social media is any digital technology that allows users to instantly generate and share information with the public.
Social media affects me how I see reality because some of people's posts are fake as they want for audiences to like them.
Social media affects me by taking most of my time.
Social media affects me in a good way, as I can be entertained by it and I can also connect with friends and loved ones.
Social media affects me by helping me stay connected with loved ones who live far away. I share personal experience, post pictures, new music and videos, and discuss various topics. But sometimes social media affects my mental health by loneliness, increase of anxiety, and poor sleep.
Social media affects me since it's a relatively new technology. There's a little research to establish the long-term consequences, good or bad, of social media use.
Some experts worry that teens are more anxious and have lower self-esteem because of social media and texting.
Social media use can also negatively affect teens, distracting them, disrupting their sleep, and exposing them to bullying, rumors spreading, unrealistic views of other people's lives, and peer pressure.
If the use of social media is not monitored, it can lead to grave consequences. It is harmful because it invades your privacy like never before.
A recent ExpressVPN survey of 1,500 Gen Z Americans reveals the extent of this generation's social media fixation. The survey found that 86% of those ages 16 to 24 years old reported that social media directly negatively impacts their happiness.
Reported negative effects on self-esteem, self-image, anxiety, loneliness, and depression. Research has shown that young adults who use social media are 3 times as likely to suffer from depression.
Based from experience, I would advise that to do is you lessen your screen time, like enjoy walking around the park or any activities that doesn't include screen time, like being around with your friends.
I think one of the best ways to not let social media consume me or us is to limit our screen time.
Yes, I actually have an advice. You should have hobbies outside of social media so that all your time isn't consumed by it. And if social media affects you in any negative way, you should take a break from it.
Yes, I have. So here are some of my advices to not let social media overcome to you. Number 1, spend less time on social media. Use it wisely. Number 2, be mindful on your social media habits. Know what is right and wrong. And lastly, use social media to connect with people who inspire you, share similar interests, and provide a sense of belonging.
Develop mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being more aware of the present moment and start a daily streak.
Takeaway quote for today is, social media is not a media. The key is to listen, engage, and build relationship, by David Alston.
Takeaway quote is, we get to live in a time that we get to use social media as a tool, by Gigi Hadid.
I believe that unearned truth and unconditional love will have the final word in reality. This is why right, temporarily defeated, is stronger than evil triumphant, by Martin Luther King Jr.
Some things may not go on your way, but the effort should be there every single time.
If you're always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be. By Maya Angelou.
Don't forget to like,
Share and subscribe and
Comment feedback down below.
And follow our page.
Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Peace.